Welcome again. Hi, I am Anuj. Welcome to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. If you are visiting first time to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe over here and keep your bell notification button on so as not to miss out any of the new upload on how to grow. Watch the video till the end. And if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Now our seeds are soaked completely. We have kept it for 12 hours overnight for soaking. Now to start the germination process, we'll remove all the excess water from it. So once we remove the excess water, we will coat it with a fungus, Trichoderma and Pseudomonas. So we will add some Pseudomonas and some Trichoderma, which will protect the seed against the fungus disease, and Pseudomonas will protect the seeds against the soil-borne other diseases. So we need to coat the seeds properly. Then we have taken a jute cloth which we have pre-soaked it in a water. So we'll put all the seeds into that cloth. So we'll spread those seeds equally and then cover it. So the moisture will maintain in it. Then we need to take one box, airtight box, and put this pack into the box for a couple of days to start the germination process. So we'll keep it in a cool place where the sunlight is not there, much sunlight is not there, and we'll observe it after 2 days. Now we will see what has happened to our sponge gourd seeds which we have kept for the pre-germination. We have kept them 2 days back into the jute bag. So now we'll open that and check what is the condition of the seed. So when we carefully open it, and we can see that all the seeds are sprouted. You can see clearly the sprout. So now this is time to transfer it to the seedling tray. Now we are going to use a pro tray. This is a root trainer tray. Because the sponge gourd is like having a very dense root system, we require more space. So what we will do, we will shift all the seeds one by one into this tray. So this is the sprout. What we need to ensure that sprout should go below. So with the help of one stick, we'll make a cavity, carefully make the cavity and bury the seed inside. We need to ensure that little bit of potting mix should be above the seed, and we need to, while putting the seed, we need to ensure the sprout should go in the downward direction. So this is how we need to plant all the seeds into the tray. After planting all the seeds, we need to immediately put some water so as that the root, the sprout will get developed quickly into the roots and our seedling will be coming out quickly. We'll be updating you on the progress.